Is that on video?
It is now.
Oh, so did he catch the frisbee?
No.
Fuck.
Why would I want it to catch?
Awesome
No,
on
it's.
video. That would look so cool. What?
It
If
would
you
have.
should have caught that on video, that frisbee. That would look like it was so close to him.
I guess it's not gonna
I want to
fit.
go over there and play football with some random people, you know? They're having a soccer team over there.
Oh yeah, I can call Josh Williams too.
Well, then do it. I mean, he's not going to do anything. He never does. And he doesn't let people borrow his
Lucas
thing.
is like, why are you doing this?
Lucas is like, are you about to hit me with that bat?
Lucas!
You're not going to hit me with that bat. Yeah, that's right. Walk away.
Lucas.
Taking the ball, little thief.
Says I have everything I need.
I don't want to play with you anyway, Lucas.
Whatever.
Don't care.
Who are you yelling at?
No, I'm yelling at Lucas.
Right there, baby. You want this? You want the bit? No.
I can't do anything. I have my